the previous video, we discussed about the ngfn app directive, ngfn model directive, ngfn bind directive. So finally, what is the directive is? Directive is a HTML attributes with ng prefix. Some of the HTML attributes are alt attributes, href attribute. Like this way, AngularJs attributes are with ng prefix. So here bind prefixed with the ng. So ngfn bind is the directive, and in HTML we are called it as our attribute. Okay. So finally we have the one more directive is there, ngfn init directive. ngfn init directive initializes the AngularJS application variables. So initializes the AngularJS application variables. For example, here in the div element, ng in the div element we are initializing the AngularJS application. After that, using the ngfn init directive, we are creating the one variable and assigning that variable one value to that variable. So here ngfn init equals to, within the double quotes, my website. Here my website is my variable name. Okay, equals to www.vlrtrain.in. So after that, in the paragraph, using the ngfn bind directives, we are assigning the value of the variable to the our paragraph using the span tag. So my website name is vlrtrain.in. Now I want the one variable with the fruit name, and in the output I want that fruit name as the output. So for that purpose, in the div element I am initializing the ngfn app directive using the AngularJS. After that, using the ngfn init within the double quotes, fruit name equals to fr1 equals to mango. So after that, my fruit name is span ngfn bind my fr1. So my fruit name is mango. Like this way, we are initializing the AngularJS variable, and we are using that variable values into our HTML document. So finally, instead of using the span tag, I am using this ngfn bind value within the paragraph itself. What happened now? So only mango is appeared because of here we are binding the paragraph. So it does not take anything here. Okay, so that purpose we are using the span tag. And finally, you can use the data-ng instead of ngfn if you want to make the page is HTML valid. So what is the meaning of HTML valid is, our parsers, actually we are creating one HTML page. At that time we are created the one HTML page, and we are checked using the some parsers. Okay, at that time that was showing some errors are there in your HTML page. So if you are using like this ngfn init, using the ngfn init, you are creating the variables. At the time it is showing the some errors in your HTML document. So that purpose that purpose we are using the data-ng directive for initializing the AngularJS variables. Okay, thanks for listening.